This was a field trip conducted by students on the 6th of March 2024. The trip lasted from the 6th of March to the 10th of March 2024. It was a very interesting trip. We are on our way to the River Non Estuary. This is the first day of arrival to my students around town.
Yes, my name is Priya and I'm here for field work.
Is this your first excursion in your life? Did you go your primary and secondary school?
We're very excited. My project students, 10 of them, from Nigeria University, Wilberforce Island, Bayelsa State.
I'm not the supervisor.
Says Congo community and Pastor.
Supervisor spice. We're going to do that video.
I'm not the supervisor.
In the evening, we had our dinner. The very first day of arrival.
These are going to they are disguised.
And then the next day, we now embarked on the field work. Explaining the techniques that are used for the collection of samples to the students. This was actually preceded by a lecture on the previous day, the previous night. Demonstrating how benthic samples are collected.
You now go and collect, dig with the shovel, with the spade. So help us to do that.
So you said it's true.
Now after this demonstration, the students are now expected to do it by themselves. That's usually what I do each year to mentor my project students.
Silver should move the boat forward now.
Because sample collection is very important. Various research topics have been assigned to the students, and the samples will be collected accordingly.
Because it's a vertebrate. So we are looking at both vertebrates and invertebrates.
So benthic, micro,
Each time in the field, I take time to explain details of the research.
That's the living animals, the animals that are in the benthic. This is the intertidal zone. Then here is the subtidal. This part is permanently covered by water.
yeah, subtidal.
Intertidal benthic.
I also answer questions from the students.
It's quite risky to step in this mode.
Trying to show to them what exactly should be done.
Thank you.
I don't even know how to get up from this place.
After throwing the quadrant,
The students are so excited
Mark down the
in the field.
there are empty fauna. For instance, if there are periwinkles here, you will now pick the periwinkles first. Because periwinkles are found in surfaces like this. But
Yes, intertidal zones.
periwinkles and other, even the hermit crabs. But I doubt if we'll see any impact. Because the more, from my experience, you cannot see any fauna. Like
Because of these constant field trips, most students in my department long to be my project students.
I know it's not. But it's,
Most students in my department envy them for being my project students, because traveling to the River Non Estuary and to the Atlantic Ocean is an adventurous trip, a trip that no student want to miss.
Collect soil samples for analysis of. Did you come with those waterproof?
Sir?
Huh?
I came with waterproof.
I beg, bring.
Collect
Someone waterproof here. It's not that one. Like, you told us waterproof to come with.
Not be that one.
Trying to
the samples you collect
explain
for 3 persons.
and analyze.
For one, in fact, 4.
4 persons.
For soil particle size analysis, yours. Then analysis of
Okay.
polycyclic.
This is the sampling station 1. We'll still go to other sampling station to collect samples
Go to that immediate creek.
for analysis. Samples will collect soil, interstitial water, surface water, and benthic samples were collected from each of the sampling stations.
It's very obvious we can't see.
Soil particle size, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, heavy metals, and other physicochemical parameters of the waters and the water and soil samples were to be analyzed, and these samples,
Saponicates are what?
interstitial water and surface water were collected, and benthic samples were also collected and identified.
But they belong to the class Polychaeta. The S1s belong to the class Polychaeta, while the polychaetes belong to the class Polychaeta. They possess parapodia for locomotion. Appendages that are the side of their bodies that are used for movement.
Now,
man.
To get
moving
beer,
to
you know, there is.
God, I
just in
beg,
the sampling
we got to
station.
beg people.
If I don't get pride, I don't go school. Therefore,
It's one like this that has red claws. The same
Now
species,
this is Sesema
but different
hozadi,
genera.
a mangrove crab. The students now do the work by themselves. They participate actively in the collection of the samples and recording the data. Now this is Atlantic Ocean. We're going to analyze various fauna of the Atlantic Ocean. Fish, crabs, very beautiful. Orange crabs. They're basically arthropods. Crustaceans. Usually found in the benthic, subtidal benthic zone of the Atlantic Ocean. Species of crabs
Mimi, I go bring my phone. You send me
crab, Lebanese quokka, various species of fish were also collected from fish landings. It's the shark of the class Elasmobranchi, of the class Chondrichthyes, subclass Elasmobranchi, a cartilaginous fish. Usually having gill slits instead of operculum, and a heterozygote tail and non-erectile fins. This is the remora, the fish, a marine fish that's usually attached to sharks and other fish in order to get food and protection. It attaches with its head, that suction part of the head to the fish. These are various fish that are